Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be transforming ourselves into a beautiful, devilish being of some sorts. I just had my wisdom teeth removed last week, so I'm still recovering. My face is still a little bit swollen, but it's okay. I really wanted to just dive right into body painting again, and what better way than to start off with like a simple creature, basic red, and some contouring. So to start off, I am wearing my bandeau that I always wear when I paint, because I get that question a lot. But let's get into it. We're gonna start off with Mayron's red body paint and dive right in. As always, I'm bringing the color down my neck and onto my chest, just because I feel like it makes the look better. And I'm just so used to painting my neck and then like my chest up to like my armpit pits. So now I am just taking a fine artist brush. I think it's a number 2 round brush, and we are just going to create little drips like that. Yeah! And we're just gonna do this throughout the whole time. Ooh, this is looking cool. And normally I do like voiceovers with my work, but I felt like I wanted to try this out and see which one you guys like better, me just randomly talking or the voiceover, which I can totally do if you guys want that instead. But I thought I'd just try something different. Alright, I think that's enough drips. I kind of want to add one here to like even it out. Looks good. Mayron Makeup just sent me some products like yesterday or the day before, and I'm going to be using their cream blend sticks in black and white. I'm going to test them out. I've never used these before, but they seem pretty cool. So I'm going to go in with the black and twist this bad boy up. Really nice. I like the packaging. And then I'm just going to put this in my contour zones. So, got cheekbones, the nose. Now I am going in with this little fluffy brush, and I think I'm just going to pat this in and just blend it out as much as I can. Cream paints blend really, really nicely on top of water activated paints. I don't know the science behind it, but they just blend so nicely. Now I'm gonna go in with the white color blend stick by Mayron, and we're gonna do some highlighting. Again, never used these before, but they're looking pretty good. Tap this all in. I'm just using patting motions to really pack the color in. I don't really want to transfer it anywhere. I just want to blend it out. Now I'm going to set it with a translucent powder. Now that we're all done the contouring, I'm going to go in with black body paint. I'm going to do some details like adding the eyebrows, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to use Mayron's black body paint. It's water activated. So for the eyebrows, I am just creating really thin, very arched, curved brows. Again, going for a very sinister, devilish look. Weirdly enough, following the natural arch of my brow. want to keep this look very beginner friendly, so we're going to keep the eyes very like black, and then we're going to add a pop of glitter on top just to add a little bit of shine, and again just keeping it very basic so everyone can follow along. Now taking a pencil brush and some black eyeshadow, we are going to buff this into the outer crease and then blend it out. I'm also going to take that black shadow and I'm going to drag it along my bottom lash line pretty much all the way. We want to give a very like dark, smoky, sinister eye to this look. With a fluffy brush, we're just going to blend that shadow out. Now taking that same black eyeshadow, I am just going to kind of contour the nose a tiny bit. Going on the inner eyebrow area, just darkening it up. You really want to make it contrast and add a lot of shadow so that the highlight pops. I'm actually going to take the same pencil brush we added before and that same black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to kind of drag it down. To add a little texture to the eye makeup, I'm going to be taking this crushed up piece of toilet paper and just lightly dipping it into my watered down paint. And just kind of like adding it onto my eye, the outer corner, just to give it a little bit more texture. Now on the eyes, I'm going to be taking a Glam Goth Beauty's, one of their little glitters in the shade Carry. It's like this super fine cosmetic glitter. I'm obsessed. And I am just going to be tapping that on the inner corner. For adding the glitter onto my eye, I'm going to be taking Anastasia Beverly Hills' glitter adhesive, and I'm just going to be dabbing that on the lid of my eye. I'm going to focus the glitter on the inner half of my eyelid. I'm just going to take it on my finger. Oh yeah. And just tap it in. Taking that same glitter, I'm just going to drag it down. Now taking black body paint again, I'm going to create a winged eyeliner. I'm going to take that glitter adhesive again and apply it directly to my lips, and then put the Carry glitter right on top of it. I'm also going to take some of that black body paint and just kind of like blend it in on the outer corners to create an ombre effect. And then I'm going to take the white highlight stick and just kind of add some color. Now I'm going to go in with white body paint and I'm going to start painting on my horns. So So I'm going in with an angled eyeliner brush, and then I'm just going to go in with black eyeshadow and shade directly around. So it looks like it's creating like little bumps from where the horn is popping out of the skin. Now I'm going in with some black body paint. I'm just going to line the horns just to clean up the edges a little bit. Now I'm just going to take that black body paint again and just add some cool lines down my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with a very, very fine artist brush. It's like a 0 or a 00, and I'm going to add little white highlights onto the little blood drips coming down my neck. Now I'm just taking a white eyeshadow. I'm just going to highlight my nose, my cupid's bow, pretty much anywhere that I need an extra bit of pop. Just going to pop in my contacts, do my hair, and I'll be back with the final look. And here's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and liking my work, and if you really enjoyed my work, please subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 500,000. That's insane. I started uploading videos at the beginning of the year, and now we're almost at 500,000 subscribers. That's blowing my mind. So thank you guys so much for the continuous support. I love you all. You guys are amazing. So with that being said, I hope you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel here, follow my Instagram page and TikTok, which are both FX Freak, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye.